Hello students. So today again I have came to start a new class related to psychiatric nursing, and today I will tell some important terms related to psychiatry. So first term is abstract thinking. Abstract thinking is the ability to assume a mental set voluntarily, shift voluntarily from one aspect of a situation to another. Keep in mind simultaneously the various aspects of a situation, grasp the essentials of a whole, that is situation or concept, and to break a whole into its part. So this is abstract thinking. Next, coming to the term affect, the outward expression of the immediate experience of emotion at a given time. This is called affect in psychiatric nursing. Next, coming to agitation, presence of anxiety with severe motor restlessness. Next, coming to akinesia, means absence of motor activity. Next, coming to anxiety. Anxiety is an unpleasurable emotional state associated with psychophysiological changes in response to an intra-psychic conflict is called anxiety. Next, coming to catalepsy. The person maintains body posture into which it is placed is called catalepsy. Next, coming to cataplexy. Cataplexy means abrupt loss of muscle tone without impairment of consciousness, often seen in narcolepsy. Next, coming to the term circumstantiality. The circumstantiality means digression into unnecessary details that distract from the central theme. However, the patient returns back to the original theme after digression. This is called circumstantiality. Next, coming to the term delusion. Delusion is a false, unshakable belief which is not amenable to reasoning and is not in keeping with the patient's socio-cultural and educational background. Next, coming to disorientation. Disorientation means a disturbance in orientation in time, place and person. Next, coming to echolalia. Echolalia means repetition, echo or mimicking of phrases or words heard. Next, coming to the term echopraxia, means repetition, echo or mimicking of action observed is echopraxia. Next, coming to euphoria. Euphoria means mild elevation of mood seen in hypomania, increased sense of psychological well-being and happiness, not in keeping with ongoing events. Next term, coming to flight of ideas. It means rapid speech with sudden shift in ideas without losing logical connection. Next, coming to the term grandiosity. Grandiosity means excessive and exaggerated feeling of one's importance. Next, coming to the term hallucination. A perception that occurs in the absence of a stimulus, means stimulus is not there but we are perceiving something. This is called hallucination. Next, coming to the term illusion. Illusion is a misinterpretation of stimuli arising from external object. Means stimuli is there, but we are interpreting it wrongly. Means wrong interpretation is there, but stimuli is present. This is called illusion. Next, coming to the term mood. Mood means the pervasive feeling tone which is sustained. Sustained means last for some length of time and colors the total experience of the person. Next, coming to the term negativism, and apparently motiveless resistance to all comments and attempts to be moved or doing just the opposite. Next, coming to the term panic. Panic means an acute, intense and overwhelming episode of anxiety often associated with feelings of impending doom. Next, coming to the term phobia. Phobia is an irrational fear of an object, situation or activity. It is called phobia. Next, coming to the term stupor. A clinical syndrome of akinesis and mutism with relative preservation of conscious awareness. This is called stupor. So these are some of the terms related to psychiatry or psychiatric nursing. If you want to know any other terms also, please comment me. Then I will discuss the other terms also. Thank you.